Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abisola. So today I'm doing a sit down video because I'm super excited about this new part in my life right now. What am I saying? Okay, so I'm doing this video because as a person, I'm sure from the thumbnail and from the title you would have seen what this video is about. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I forgot to say that. If you're a first time subscriber or you're watching for the first time. I want to say you're a first time watcher. If you're watching for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you become a subscriber and also be part of this my beautiful journey. So guys, back to the video. So this video is about my skincare routine and my new skincare routine. So for a while, I've always been a person that use the same soap for my body and face and everything, the same cream for body, face and everything. But I think gradually I started realizing that I don't think that is actually the right thing to be doing. I don't know, maybe it's not the right thing, but I just feel like I needed a change of routine and I needed to just up my skin. I think I have a very good skin, but I tamper with it with all this sort of. I just see me. I don't even have a particular. If you ask me which soap do you use, people will come. I like your skin. Please, what's the name of your soap? I'll tell them I used one last month. I use different soaps and I use different cream. Me, as long as I just get to smoke. Oh, this is nice. I just buy it. It smells good. Let me buy it. I don't have a particular. Okay, this is what I do. So I'm not that person that I'm always just particular about what I use. The skincare products I use. But right now I'm trying to be a good girl. I'm trying to be a good girl to my skin so that at least it will help my skin improve. I know it's just to maintain my body and just to make me feel good. Sorry, something came up. I think pumping machine up. I don't know, machine came up. Sorry for that. So I just want to look good and also just help my skin. So guys, I don't know if you're hearing the noise coming from outside. I think they are fixing our bowl or something and it's just been a lot of noise and but anyways, I hope you can hear me guys. I think I'll just have to speak louder. My mic is I don't know where I kept it, so please manage my voice like this. So guys, I ordered some product already. I started this thing like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. I ordered some products initially from someone. I'll put her Instagram handle below. So she recommended some of the products that she used, and also my friend, that's also blogger. If you know her, you know that she does a lot of skincare stuff, and also I asked her for recommendation. And then I asked some couple of people too. So she recommended some things I can use. It's nothing special. It's just face cream, face wash. I'm not doing all those, those organic skincare, skin like milk, skin like no, I know they do. Like my skin the way I am. I like my black skin like this. I like my melanin like this. So it's nothing special. So it's just to have something like, okay, my face wash should be different from my body soap and all. So I got this. I bought from this lady earlier, Beauty Cognizant. I think I know Beauty Cognizant. Hey, yes, Beauty Cognizant, and I bought from her earlier. I bought like 3 months ago, and almost all the products have finished. So now I renewed. I just bought a new set. So I said let me just share this video with you guys. So I have here Dr. Rachel Essence Toner. This toner for my face. Okay, I have here Cox or something. Cox is a face cream. Before I was using Blossom, but she recommended this one. She said this would be good. So maybe we can. So said this one has snail 92 in 1 cream. Cox. You can see it. As you can see, this facial wash. I started using this one already because the one I bought earlier had finished. So facial wash. They gave me a gift when I bought this from her, so you can patronize her. Anytime I buy something from her, she gives me gifts. The last time she gave me one beauty lip gloss, and I had to order 2 from her because I really like this lip gloss, so I had to order 2 from her. The other one is in the room, so this is the second one that I ordered. I see in the nylon. So, and then the earring she gave me, it's so beautiful. I like them. So I bought finally that thing is off. Aramis. This is Aramis, yeah. Aramis body wash, like for my body. So I bought Dr. Teal at a point from this lady, but I didn't really like the way my skin was feeling. So I just feel like, I don't know, I think I noticed that my skin does not like when, I don't even understand. I don't like using body wash. So that was body wash, liquid body wash, and I didn't really like it. I didn't really like it. My skin was reacting to it, so I had to stop using it. So I bought this Arame. I bought this soap from Arame, and I heard a lot about them, that they are natural and all those things. So it's like black soap and all. So this is their soap, their onyx polish. The cream, they have this Arame ivory butter. This is the rose and vanilla flavor, as you can see. This is Arame glow oil. I don't know if you can see this. And then I'm not Arame glow scrub. Can you see? Yeah, you can see this. So this is what I got from Arame. And glow. I think this one goes for, like, everything I use goes for 16,000 naira thereabouts. It's quite affordable. Even these ones are not so expensive like that. So sorry for the break in transition. So this is the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C face serum that I said she sold to me earlier. Show you. Okay, and then this is the sunscreen. I've had this for like 3 months, so I use it whenever I'm going out for the sun. This, can you see it? Blossom makeup skincare sunscreen. So basically that is all I have with me. I'm sure to come back soon to give you guys feedback on how it has been so far, if it has been an amazing journey or I have stopped, I freaked out. But anyways, I hope it turns out nice as expected and my skin will start glowing more, like you get. Anyway guys, that will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I have not bored you guys too much with my talk. If you think you can relate to my situation right now, drop your comments. And if you have other advice for me on my skin going forward, please don't tell me to go and buy skin like butter. What's that thing they used to say? Half cast skin, half cast body. I don't want. I like my black like this. I like my melanin like this. Let me just maintain this my skin. But those we are very organic that they will put on there. Please don't advise me to go buy. But if you have good advice from me, how to my skincare routine and all, drop a comment in the comment section and drop your views, and I hope I'll be watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, have a nice day and enjoy your whatever time of the day you are, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.